Hi, this is Vicky.
And this is Jo.
And we're the two natural ladies. Do you have trouble with soap scum in your bath and your shower?
Or could you not be bothered cleaning the bathroom?
Yep.
Yeah.
We might sell cleaning products, but we're not into cleaning. But we have the answer because our range of products don't have soap in them. And so you don't get soap build-up. Now, that doesn't mean you do have to occasionally clean your bathroom.
Kind of do.
Unfortunately,
every couple of months.
because the thing is that we don't have any animal products in here, but we're animals, so to speak. And when we're
Body
washing,
fats
so you do eventually end up with a bit of stuff you've got to clean up, but nothing like. In fact, when we did a new bathroom, it was 6 months before I had to start really giving it a clean. I'd just give it a bit of a wipe and a bit of a spray, but really didn't have to do any cleaning.
And you sprayed with the Supre?
The sphagnum. I used to spray the sphagnum and just leave it, and that would be like the old Pac-Man and eat up any mold.
Maybe we need to put together I never thought of this, a bathroom pack with the bathroom products.
Yes, and bathroom cleaners.
And the bathroom cleaners.
Yes.
So what we're showing you here is, I'll just put the nasty down.
Yes.
Is the bathroom.
All the things you'd use in the shower.
To wash yourself.
So you've got the shampoos. You've got
you keep talking.
You've got the shampoos. You've got the kids' body wash. Sorry, that's the bubble bath, because of course the bath tube, the ring, you'll have no scummy ring around your bath, and if your kids have got allergies, it's great for them. And then the body wash. So if you don't have a bath, you can wash the kids in this in the shower. Now, having said that, you can use this in the shower and you can use this in the bath. So that's the other great thing about our products.
Kids and adults can use it.
Yes, of course. Yes.
Of course.
Of course.
So once you've washed yourselves,
and washed your hair,
and after a long time,
eventually
you will need to use some cleaning products.
Yes.
So the Supre is amazing for getting rid of the body fats and scum that builds up in showers.
And this one is great, as I said before, to just spray. Last person in the shower sprays this and just leaves it. It'll have a lovely odour smell. It's not an odour. Fragrance. That's the word.
Yeah.
And but it's also.
So you're saying after every shower?
Yeah. Just and the Pac-Man will be just eating up any mold, and it'll actually stop. You clean even less. You'll have to clean even less.
Well, and you've just left a beautiful smell that permeates the whole house.
Yep.
And so if you do have the scum and the body fat build-up, the Supre, eucalyptus, or grapefruit and palmarosa, depending on what smells you like. Beautiful, wonderful. I've raved about it before. I've got soap scum off showers that were from previous tenants that people couldn't get off. This product has done it.
And these two actually really go together, because this one is when you're talking toilets. I have 4 sons. When they were growing up, I was doing a lot of cleaning of toilets. This was my daily one, and this was my weekly one. So this is what I call the domestos replacement. And it's brilliant. So this is for if you've got really stubborn stains in the bar or mold in the bathroom. This will get rid of it. In fact, one lady, she had mold in the grouting on the floor in the bathroom, and she tried everything in the supermarket. This was the only one that got it out. So these two work really well together as well. So
wow, and also the XL you would put into the toilet bowl. Yeah.
So that was my weekly, really big clean for the toilet.
That's my spruce up clean of the toilet. The 1 minute clean, bit of that in the toilet bowl, and then spray. The little toilet brush, which also makes the toilet brush smell nice.
Yeah.
And there's sphagnum moss spray around the toilet and the toilet seat, and give it all a wipe, and it's clean. Voila! I think it's probably less than a minute. I probably should check. So I'll time it next time I do it.
So we're going to look at a bathroom.
I think we are. So if you're interested, let us know, and we can put something together. And
because the bathroom is the bane of people's lives.
Yes.
You know, cleaning it and everything, and we have the solution for you.
Clean it less.
Yes.
And when you have to, just feel uplifted with these wonderful, gentle and effective cleaning products. So we have all of these products on our website, so we'll put the website below.
And contact us to find out about the
And a
specials
pack.
we're putting together, our pack.
Yeah,
our
we don't
specials
have
pack.
them on the website.
No.
So if you want us to create something for you,
Yes.
contact
Contact
us.
us.
All right.
Bye.